Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. Y'all, I wasn't going to film another one today. I'm tired. I went shopping with my girls today. I've done several lip try-ons and even some blush. So yes, I know I'm not even, but who cares? I got my Rocksbox in and I want to see what's inside of it. So let's open it up and see what's in there. I'm going to quickly read what the stylist said to me in my little note. It says, "Hey Gina, how are you enjoying your set? I noticed you didn't leave feedback on your last set and wanted to check in and see how everything is going. The Ava Rose, Cary Y Necklace and gold will perfectly elevate any outfit instantly. These gold Huggies by Rudiment feature pave detailing and perfect touch of sparkle. 2 sets to choose from, so you have a Huggie or 2 for every occasion. Simply beautiful Boston drops. They're comfortable, lightweight, and enhanced with a nice pop of color. Let me know what you think of your new set, Rocksbox." So if you don't know anything about Rocksbox, it is a jewelry rental subscription. You pay $21 a month and they send you 3 pieces of jewelry in a box. You wear those for as long as you want, or you can wear them once and send it right back. As soon as you send a box out, they send you another. So you constantly got fresh jewelry, and it's only $21 a month, not a box. So you pay that $21 a month. If you decide you want to purchase something in your box, that $21 is credited to your account as long as it's used within that month. Of course, you get new credit every month, but if, that way, if you don't want to use it, you don't have to. You can just use it for the renting. I have a hard time not buying stuff because their pieces are so good, y'all. They've got, like I said, Rudiment, Kendra Scott, Slate, Astor, several different brands. They're always releasing new brands. You can put pieces on your wish list so they can send you things that you like. You can do rings, earrings, necklaces, bracelets. They have all of it. If you want to try Rocksbox, please use my code Gina, GINA-PBFF45. That will give you $25 forever credit and your first set is free. So thank you if you use my link. Now I'm going to get into the box. So it's sent in this resealable white little bubble baggie. That way you can just use this again when you're sending it back. I love that. I love that we're trying to cut down on waste, plastic waste. Look at how cute the box is. Just adorables, recyclable box. Nice sturdy box if you did keep everything and keep the box, but I normally send the box back with my jewelry. Hey gorgeous. And then on the back you do have your care instructions. Hi. Wasn't that the most annoying hi? Oh my goodness. And your 3 pieces of jewelry. They all come in these nice bags, very soft. They say if you do need to wipe off your jewelry for any reason to use these bags. And of course don't get them wet, normal care instructions. You have your price sheet, and on the back of this is the return label that I put on this white bag to send it back. Very convenient, very easy. Let's look at the jewelry. Now, the more you buy from this company, the more of a discount you get. I'm at like 5%, I think. So I'll tell you the retail price and the member price. Some items, they actually don't give you a discount on. I think Kendra Scott, I normally don't have a discount price on. Sometimes I keep them anyway because I really like Kendra Scott. And I love how they do this. It's so easy. They don't get tangled up. Look how cute, y'all. Look at the cuteness. Oh my goodness. Extendable clasp. Claw foot. Is that what they call that? Claw foot clasp. Gold on both sides. Let's just stick it on. I thought about opening this earlier today. I'm going to put it as short as it'll go just so we can see it good. because I was going out with my girls today, and I thought, oh, I could wear the jewelry, but I didn't. I waited. I was a good girl. Look how cute. Very cute. And of course it would go longer if you did want it to come down longer, which normally I do. I'm not a around the neck type of person. I like it to hang down and accentuate. All right, let's put it about as far as we'll go. See, that's cute. And you have to just hang right, you know, perfect. This is the Ava Rose Cary Y Necklace in gold. Retail price is $65. Member price is $55. Would I keep it for $55? Probably not, but I can rent it for $21. Oh, by the way, everything is sanitized before it comes to you, so you don't have to worry about that. All of that. I'm a sanitizing type of girl. Matter of fact, one of my friends mentioned something about a sanitizing machine on one of her videos. By the way, her name is Lady Lori, Beauty Over 50. Go check her channel out. She's great on YouTube. Love Lori. She's so fun. Okay, plug over. Next earrings. But yeah, she mentioned a machine, and I was like, ooh, where can I get one? Because yeah, I'm pretty big on the sanitizing and making sure everything's clean. And now I want a sanitizing machine. Look at how beautiful these are, y'all. You know, I've been wanting some color in my earrings lately, so these are perfect. I did have these on my wish list. I actually think I had both of these on my wish list. And you know, I sent back some blue ones the other day, and it's kind of sad. I missed them. These are perfect, especially for St. Patty's Day coming up. I mean, I won't get pinched now. And I am grooming dogs that day, so perfect. I normally don't wear a dangly, but just because, if you know, I do love on the puppies, and I don't want, you know, a toe to get tangled in an earring and do damage to either one of us. So, but yeah, the doggies it's coming is good. So yes, these are super cute. Oh, I like these. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Price. I covered my price sheet up. These are Ava Rose Boston Drops in green jasper. Retail price $55. My price would be $46. And I could take that $21 off, so my price would be $25. Tempted. Tempted. Okay. Ooh. Let me keep going. I think the next one is earrings too, but these are just darling. What do we think? Y'all always comment below. Tell me what you think. Press all those buttons that we love for you to press. The like, the subscribe, all that good stuff. All right, so these are the Rudiment Huggies. Interesting. Not what I was expecting, but yeah, okay. Rudiment Lolo Huggie pack. Originally $75. My price would be $63. Let's try these on. I mean, there's 4 of them. So you can mix and match them. They're not that this is a set and this is a set. Or you could, I mean, I'm blown away by this. This is like getting double the earrings. And it'd be perfect for somebody who has a double piercing, which I do not, but I kind of wanted to. I thought about it. I'm just gonna put one of each on. I mean, very cute. And I do like that there's 2 different styles. I mean, they're very similar. I had to look at them for a second to notice that they were different. But you can tell a little bit of a difference. It's not going to focus any better than that. All right, so what did y'all think of this set? This was pretty interesting and fun. I'm a little over Huggies, but I do wear them pretty often. So I guess that's why I'm tired of them. I like the danglies. I like the danglies. Y'all, comment below. Let me know what you think. Have a wonderful day and God bless.